Am I being stopped? Hey, what's up?
How we doing?
Good, good.
Okay.
You get?
Stepping on talk to me real quick?
Yeah. What's?
We just had a call of somebody that was
Okay.
staying here and sleeping here and whatnot. So I was kind of wondering what your plan was.
No, I never fell asleep.
Okay.
Just staying here. I mean, I got here kind of early. Maybe they thought since I got here so early, I slept.
Well, I think they just saw your dishes and whatnot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got various stuff.
Hello YouTube! On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Let's Exchange IDs with Travis Hines. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Today's video took place on August 16th, 2021 in International Falls, Minnesota. In this video, Travis was sitting in his car in Shorewood Park minding his own business when two police officers come up to his car. Someone had called these Fillings police because they had seen dishes on top of Travis's car. Now, let's jump right into this video and see if these officers respect Travis's right to be left alone, or do they violate Travis's civil rights.
Where are you coming from?
Well, just traveling. I mean,
Okay.
yeah.
Where's your?
Nothing.
What's your goal? What's your?
Goal? I don't know. Check out the border. I was
Okay.
kind of interested in going on the bridge and taking some pictures. You think that's possible?
Oh,
You ever hear about that where it's, I don't know, if is it an issue with the Canadian, or just even passing the, I guess, the American?
I think what it's been is like your negative COVID test within
Yeah, I was
48
just
hours, or a vaccination card plus
yeah,
that.
I was just thinking that maybe the bridge is over international waters, and maybe a person
I
could
know it's
just.
public property, but I'm not sure if you can pass without paying a toll. I'm not sure.
Oh,
You
there's
have to
a.
stop there and ask. There is a toll for vehicles, vans.
Oh no, I
trailers, all
would
that kind of
just.
stuff.
I'd just bicycle
Okay.
possibly, or walk, I guess.
So you know where it is over there, right?
Well, I mean, I haven't really been there yet, but I mean,
Okay.
I've been kind of around that area.
Sure. So basically, you just
I-
go to the stoplight.
Well, I
there,
know, yeah, I know how to get there.
You
It's
hang
just-
a left, whatnot. There is a
but
little toll booth there. You could talk to them and ask.
yeah, I'd have to
You
do
know.
that.
I
Do
know
you?
that place is public property on that portion of it.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if they're gonna let you cross to. pay
Yeah,
or-
I was just wondering if you go to like the bridge, go in like maybe the center of the bridge,
Sure.
take a picture, and then come back to America. You know, it's
All you
just-
can do is ask, right?
Yeah, well, I'm asking, but I mean,
Well, I don't
you
work here, so I
guys,
can't
yeah,
do that.
you guys don't coordinate with the border patrol, right? This,
Not very often.
you don't share the radio with
No,
them, right?
Not very often.
Okay, all right, yeah, yeah.
Central,
Oh.
stand by, please.
Check.
You okay?
Check. Oh, all right. You checked the plates or whatever.
Just seeing,
Okay.
Just seeing who you are. That's
Yeah.
all.
Okay. That's probably another issue. Is my plates are out of state or something, right?
Oh,
So.
and like I said, all it was somebody
And-
that lives on the road passing by, just making sure that you were okay.
Oh, they're just passing by. Okay.
that was
And this park probably isn't used a lot either.
To be
So
honest, not really.
yeah.
It's pretty quiet.
So I was here early, and I saw a cop hanging out in the parking lot over there.
Okay.
Could have been Olson or Upfendal. If you've been here since early in the morning, whatever your shift is, there was. You've been down, okay? Because it's a similar vehicle. I don't. Yeah.
They're the same.
Those are the only types of vehicles you drive.
There's a few others.
There's different other looks,
Yep.
different
There's a
models,
few others.
makes and models. Okay.
A few others, so.
Because they blend in pretty good with. You're unable to see the side. I'm unable to read like the side when it's dark out at night.
So they're reflective.
Well, I had another one of your guys. I don't know how many work on night shift, but he stopped over. I was at Kmart, and it was at 3 a.m. and
Yeah,
I
the
couldn't.
building there.
Yeah, there's several,
Yep.
but I couldn't read the side of the vehicle. You know, is too dark.
Okay.
So I was just like, who is this guy?
Well, it does say police in the front.
It does, but I can't. I actually, from this angle, I can't see. I'd have to get. It's something where you can't quite see from a distance, or certain light conditions. so you're not as easily identifiable, especially in comparison to a lot of other city cop vehicles and stuff.
Sure.
Why you chose this? I mean, why guys, whoever the chief, maybe why the chief chose this is it's kind of. It seems a little just trying to be sneaky. Maybe taking that sneaky approach.
I can't speak for him. He's since retired, but I cannot speak for him. So.
Yeah, when they got the vehicles, that's a former chief. So
that's a former chief's decision.
Yeah, but okay, all right.
All right, man. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know if you're gonna make people uneasy or whatnot. That's literally
all
I'm here for.
If you could get a hold of maybe the persons who called, maybe put their what's that?
His people's people.
Yeah. Talk to
Bad
the
joke,
people's people. It's a joke.
This was a bad joke.
Yeah, I know it was a part of a joke, but it's been a while since I heard it. But if there's a way to maybe to get back to them, because I mean, they're probably just concerned about my welfare more than criminality. Because
no one said that. They just
break into the church, maybe.
Right, they just saw the pots and pans there, and they were kind of just.
Oh, yeah.
Sure everything was okay. So.
Yeah, I was hoping maybe putting these up here might actually ease people's concerns instead of maybe increasing their concerns. I don't know.
You never know.
That's
for sure.
Perspective. It's all about perspective.
Yep.
But if it's like a welfare check, I mean, I say I'm fine. I have no complaints. So, and you guys made a check, and maybe if there's a way to get back with the people, that could be a next step, and let them know. Let them put them. And then any future calls, your dispatch, maybe let your dispatch know if it's the same situation. If there isn't any new reports to make,
Sure. It is a small area, and everybody knows everybody up here because we're really a town of 6,000 people, 2+ hours away from a bigger town and whatnot. So
it's a good distance. Yeah, I plan on going south.
Okay.
But I mean, I intend to. I want to stay here for the rest of the day. I was kind of like gonna just sleep overnight here, and then because it is kind of a big drive, and
pretty much anywhere you go is at least an hour for you to see another person. So.
Yeah. There's the next city I saw was quite a distance. I can't think of the name of. I'm not quite going as far as Duluth. I don't want to make that big of a jump.
Yeah, you're probably thinking like Virginia, Hibbing area, maybe. Then that's about 2 hours.
Maybe south, just kind of in that. Just I'm looking around, and I'm kind of like a tourist in a way for the river, the border and stuff.
Okay.
I mean, I walked along the border. I saw the capsized boat behind the hospital. I don't know. It sounds like that's been there a while.
Knowledge, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a small boat. I suppose it's no big deal, but it could create a story. In my mind, I'm thinking maybe some Canadians tried to sneak across.
The border's closed, I hear you.
And that's a good spot with the rocks kind of sticking out there. It's kind of a short.
You've done some homework. I like that.
It looks, just making observations.
Sure.
I like looking around, and I'm fairly familiar with parts of your city. I'm sure I'm going to miss a lot of other interesting things, but
you never know. There's some hidden gems around, but it's
kind
of one of those things you got to be here to see them.
Yeah, And you probably, how long have you been working here?
Just shy of 15 years.
15. That's quite a. And you're probably a sergeant then. Yeah, yep. Sergeant. Okay.
Yep.
And then patrolman. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well.
All right, man. Well, daily roamer, I guess, from what I see.
Oh, yeah. I kind of post on YouTube too. Yeah. Okay. Helps with gas money.
All right, well, hi to your YouTube fans then.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much. This is still recording.
All good.
All right.
You're good. If you need anything from us, give us a call.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Sounds good.
Have a good day.
Yep.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Let's Exchange IDs with Travis Hines YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.